Canada. And now we're leaving. Hello and good morning, guys. Today is a brand new day, and today I'm using a brand new camera because look who's here. Hi. So anyways, I'm trying out Alicia's old vlog camera. I don't even know if this is your old vlog camera, but new things, new things. So today we are just having a day. We love having a day. We really don't know what we're doing, but Target is on the plan. Earth Cafe is on the plan.
I'm actually really excited for that.
Me too. I could use a latte. So yes, as you can tell, my room is very, very messy. No shame, no shame.
Hello.
Hello. Where are we, Loesch? Earth. Oh my god, go! I got a tuna salad. I got a chili. Alicia got her tabbouleh. Update, we are shopping at Sephora. I have been very curious to try the Amazonian Clay BB tinted moisturizers because, I don't know, it's summer. I want to try something light. I don't know what color I am though. I feel like I might be a medium tan.
Yeah, I look like Christmas.
I look like McDonald's. You guys, I bought some things. Let me know if you want a haul car. Where are we, Loesch?
I think we're in Target.
You think? I know. First things first, Alicia pointed this out and I was like, oh, it probably doesn't work. But then I was like, wait, I kind of want to try it. So I got one, but I got it in pink. Loesch and I haven't had a Target adventure in so long, so I'm excited. I thought you were in front of me.
No.
Okay, so I may or may not have gained like close to 15 pounds recently. So I've been wanting to eat healthy. So I have, and I lost like 4 pounds. But then I'm at Target, you get it? I see this birthday cake, a Rice Krispie, a chorizo. Do I need it? Is it worth the calories? It sure is. It is worth it. You know what, just to justify, I'm gonna buy this for, oh no, I can't. You can't have rope toys. He swallows it. Ooh, birthday cake mix for dogs? Ken's gonna get chubby though. Gonna get chubby. We have an update. Should I do a haul? I don't know, maybe not. It's not that interesting. I got some chip clips. I got a knife. I got some chips. I got some clips for my chips.
That sounds like hit clips.
I had hit clips.
I think I had one in a McDonald's Happy Meal one time.
I had so many. I got a new notebook because new notebook, new me, you know? I got a comforter because I am getting a new bed. So I need a king size comforter for my king size bed. Also some toilet paper and yeah. Yeah, you said this battery was full. Are you trying to sabotage my career?
I never said it was fun.
I'm still recording. So, it's great. Successful trip. However, ooh, I'm looking at the viewfinder. I'm sorry. However, I came in for toilet paper. I'm leaving with a million other things. A lot. I also came for a comforter, but someone took it out of the car.
Sorry, I took it out for my thumbnail
and
then
left
I left it in the school supply section.
But we're too lazy to go back up. So, got the Glamour Caddy. It's on clearance. We got some notepads. Why, hello and good morning, guys. Today feels weird because I feel like I'm doing a normal vlog for the first time in a long time. So I went to Greece, and then before that, I feel like I haven't been doing that many vlogs. So anyways, we're back to the daily vlog game. Have been back to the daily vlog game for a while, but it's the first time I'm doing a normal vlog in a long time. That was a lot. So anyways, it is currently, computer, what time is it?
It's 2:11 p.m.
2:11 p.m. Folded some laundry today, uploaded a vlog. I feel productive, although I probably am not that productive. Still have more laundry to do. I also need to do an unboxing, but I'm afraid. I feel like I do too many unboxings, but I know you guys love it, but I don't know why I have a fear that I do too many. So I need to do that. Sephora haul. I also need to send out the giveaway prizes for the giveaway winners. Whew. Other than that, we'll just see where this day takes us. Let's go. We are doing it. First up, Sephora haul. I know this looks like I've had it for a while, but it's literally been a day. First thing I got was the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. This is it's a conditioning detangling spray, but I didn't realize it had UV and heat protection, so I'm excited. Next, I picked up and tried today the Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer. You guys know I love the Amazonian Clay foundation, so I figured I would try this since it was lighter. I'm in the shade medium. Next up, Alicia said that this lip gloss was great. So I got the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss. I'm currently wearing something right now So I'm not gonna, beautiful packaging, by the way. I'm not gonna try it on because I'm currently wearing a lip gloss. Oh, honestly, I don't know if you can see that at all, but it is just a good gloss. Like, you don't need anything else but this gloss. I'm excited to try it out. Next, I just picked up my go-to concealer, which is the Makeup Forever Full Cover. I'm in the shade number 5, but it's really light for me, but they didn't have anything else. Okay, so I have this on right now in a different shade on my lids. This is the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I kid you not, these are amazing. I have 4 different ones right now, and I had to get the shade Perlina. Basically just glitter for your lids. I love the applicator, and the glitter is just great. Look at it. I'm excited for that. I also got the shade Diamond Dust. Let's swatch her. Ooh, so they're pretty similar, but one's a little cooler and one's a little warmer. Yes, I also picked up my go-to lip balm, Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment. It is the classic original one. It has SPF 15, it's great. Literally the best lip balm you will ever try, guarantee you. And then I got samples, but I'm not gonna show you that. So next, on to the packages. Ooh, Carity. Ooh. Oh. For every palette you buy, Carity will donate a meal to an animal in need. That's adorable. So these are all liquid lipsticks. I haven't worn a liquid lipstick in a long time. Let's swatch. Ooh, that's a nice color. I haven't heard of this brand, but I'm excited to try these all out. But that is a beautiful color. This is in the shade Sugary Sweet. Thank you, Carity. Next up, Tarte. Tarte sent a lot of packages. It says open me by the 8th. It's the 10th. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I put my fins up in the air sometimes. Is that a song? I don't know. Hashtag see the change. Oh, wait. You guys know that this see the change palette is literally my favorite. Okay, so this came with a tote for hashtag see the change. So this was promoting a free tote with a palette purchase, but I guess that deal is over now, so I'm sorry, but thank you, Tarte. Next up, it's Tarte again. Honestly, the rest of this might just be a Tarte haul, and I'm totally okay with that. You guys know Tarte is my favorite makeup brand. Been loving their products since 2014, as soon as I could afford them. Oh my gosh. So the first thing I see is this chart for the creaseless under eye concealer. I saw someone unbox this. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. So this is Tarte's new creaseless concealer, and they literally sent me every single shade so I can pick which one works for me, and then they sent, I guess, the 3 that they think I am. So here's the new concealer bottle. It is very sleek. I really like the packaging. And then it also came with this brush. Let's try it out. Okay, so wow, they really know my colors. Let's try this. Ooh, wow, that is pigmented. You can't even see it because it just blends in with my skin for the most part. Just picked a random color that actually worked pretty well. Anyways, I'm so excited to try these out. I will let you know how they are in my next vlog when I put on my makeup. Ow. Thank you so much, Tarte. Next up, I'm not sure who this is from. Acne Free. Oh wow, what is this? Okay, so the first thing they have is the body clearing acne spray. You guys, this is so convenient if you have acne on your body. I'm all about lotion sprays and all of that. And then they have the oil-free acne cleanser, which is one of my go-tos. Let's see what is in here. Oh, yes. I am stoked for this. You guys, you don't even need to work out. Just buy the shirt, you're good to go. It even comes with tan lines. That's great. Thank you, Acne Free. Okay, last package. This is also from Tarte. Where's my box cutter? Oh, box cutter. Come on, man. Found it. Whoa! That is a big package. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. This is so cute. You guys, if I came out with a makeup collection, okay, it wouldn't be this good. I'm not gonna lie. It would not look this good. Are you seeing this? Okay, I'm a little afraid to open this. Whoa, I'm not getting rid of this box. Like, look at this. Anyways, so it comes with, I think these are real flowers. I saw someone put this on. It's beautiful. It also comes with fairy dust. It comes with a Lights, Camera, Lashes mascara. You guys, new favorite mascara. I'm wearing it today on my bottom lashes. That's all I gotta say. It's my new favorite. I've had the same favorite mascara for 5 years now, and I just switched over. Looks like these are temporary tattoos. You guys, look at these brushes. They're adorable. Adorable. And then this came with the Fairy Flush Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Pretty light. It's honestly like a light tan. I feel like this could be my face powder. And then we have a palette. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is good. This is good. Do you guys see that? This is the Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust palette. You guys, I'm stoked. Thank you, Tarte. This was the most insane PR package ever. This is so freaking cute. Let's get on with our day. Yeah. Hello! It's a new day. I got my ramen noodle hair to match my new ramen noodle shirt. And also, look who's here. Hi, fam.
Hi,
wow, my
fam.
hair looks so yellow compared to, I mean, like, it's yellow.
It looks like more white.
I think I meant that. Anyways, we're about to head to Chick-fil-A. We're kind of having a fun day. We're very excited because tonight we're going to an Incredibles 2 screening and it's gonna be lit. We're gonna watch Incredibles 1 later, but first we're gonna get some Chick-fil-A so that we can bring it back so that we can enjoy our meal while we watch Incredibles 1. Also, here is the update on my room. We finished the wallpaper. Yes, there is a gap right there, but we're not going to talk about it. We're fine. So my bed came in. Well, my bed frame has been in. I need to install that. My mattress came in. So it's one of those box mattresses that I need to like take out of the box and roll out. I'm very excited about that. I was going to do that this morning, but I figured it would take a lot of time. So I'll probably save that for the next few days. And then we just have my decor kind of sitting around waiting to be done. I'm excited to get some pots and plants for this. Sweet Nicole is getting my package.
Hello guys, it's the next day, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!